Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to download CLV wallet application on your iPhone. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. First of all, launch open your App Store and go to the search box and type in CLV wallet and search. Once you see this interface, go ahead and tap on this wallet and tap on the Get button to begin downloading the application for your iPhone. Wait until the application gets downloaded and installed within a few minutes, and once it does, you can launch open the app anytime you want. CLV Wallet is a non-custodial, multi-chain, multi-platform application which helps users to manage crypto assets and interact with all types of decentralized application. Tap on the open button once the download is done, and there you have successfully downloaded CLV Wallet application. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.